Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing Eric Carle animals. Cover tables before beginning. Begin by choosing an animal from the pack and cut out the outline of the image. Write your name on the back side of the paper. Tear off a piece of tissue paper, place down on your animal, and apply Mod Podge directly on top of the paper. Continue applying pieces of paper. If there's tissue paper coming off from the sides, wait for it to dry down a bit before taking a pair of scissors and cutting them off. When finished, please make sure to clean your brushes.